Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a very common problem. Google Drive isn't working as expected. Whether files won't upload, folders won't open, or you're seeing some weird error, this full 2026 guide will walk you through fixing it step by step. First things first, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can make Google Drive behave badly. If you're on Wi-Fi, toggle it off and back on. Try switching to mobile data or another network. If your internet connection is slow or drops often, many Drive issues come from that. Next, make sure Google Drive is not the one having a problem. Visit Google's service status page or search for Google Drive outage to see if others are reporting issues. If the service is down, there's nothing you can do except wait. But if everything else seems fine, we move on. Now, browser and device issues. If you're using Drive in a web browser, log out of all your Google accounts and log in only the correct one. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old data can cause Drive to misbehave. Disable any browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools temporarily. Try opening Drive in incognito/private mode or using a different browser. If you're using Google Drive on a mobile device or desktop app, close the app completely and reopen it. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. On mobile, clear the app's cache in settings or reinstall. On desktop, quit, restart, or even reinstall if needed. Often the app's local cache gets corrupted, and this step fixes many issues. Check the storage space. If your Google account is out of storage, Drive might stop uploading or syncing files. Go to Drive's storage view and see how much you have left. If you are full, delete unwanted files or buy more storage. Look at the file or folder settings. Some problems come from file-specific issues. The file type might not be supported for preview or opens. The owner might have removed access or put the file in their trash/bin. If you're part of a shared drive, make sure you have proper permissions. In many cases, the individual file or folder status is what causes the not working behavior. Finally, if nothing else works, log out, reboot your device, reconnect your internet, then try again. Many times, the simplest restart fixes the issue. If after that you're still stuck the problem may be deep, account-specific, or Google's backend, and you may need to contact Google support or check forums for your specific scenario. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you get Google Drive working again, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.